Guys, welcome to another kids kitchen video, and today we will be making a vanilla milkshake. I thought that today maybe we should just make a dessert, something cold, something over the top. Originally I wanted to make a cinnamon cake, but then I just decided vanilla milkshake. So the ingredients we'll be needing is 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2/3 of ice cream, and this ice cream is from nice. So we got a nice deal for
it was like 370 something for 2 liters of ice cream.
Yes, 2 liters of ice cream.
Really good deal.
Yeah, and then we have 1 cup milk, which we already measured in here. So that's fine. Then for toppings, we decided to crush cookies, Maryland cookies, very nice chocolate chip cookies, and great Dairyland. Well, not very Dairyland, but just chocolate, just great chocolate. But this one is specifically from Dairyland. Then we're going to need to blend it. So we have half our blender here. We're gonna show full of it later, so let's move on to the blending round. Welcome to the blending round, where we'll be putting all our ingredients in. So first, we'll need the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So putting it in our blender right now. So this is a 1 teaspoon measuring cup. There. So just gonna pour that in. And then we have 1 cup milk. Then we need to measure 2/3 of ice cream, vanilla ice cream. So I'm gonna try measure that with a measuring cup. So you don't have to watch me do this. I'll just call you back. This is the blending round. We've just finished putting our ice cream in here. We thought not to make you wait. So let's start. Oh yeah, that looks nice.
Do you think we need to add some more ice cream?
Yeah.
We can make it a little thicker.
Yeah, we're gonna make it a little thicker. So we're gonna measure some more ice cream. We'll call you back. So we've just added some more ice cream, so you'll have to blend it a bit more. That looks nice, doesn't it?
It does. Looks amazing. Oh, can't wait to taste that.
Time for the plating. We'll call you later. Well, cupping, basically. For the glassing, plating, cupping, whatever. We're basically putting everything into the cup. So this is the cup we're using. And these are the ingredients, like I showed you. So first, we take that and pour the milkshake in. You don't have to make it too full. Should that be enough? Yeah.
Yeah, that looks about right. Yeah.
So then we have the cookies we're going to crumble. Oh, these ones had fallen down before, so it explains why it's so crumbly. So just gonna crumble those in. With our powder, we have to use a pestle to grind it. It's nice paste. So then we're just gonna put that in, right? It's gonna sink. Oh, actually, it's floating.
It floats.
It floats.
The stuff is a bit thick, so it'll probably stay on top.
Yeah.
For some time at least.
Till somebody dissolves it.
When it gets wet, it's going to sink to the bottom, but it's good for now.
That looks nice.
Looks nice, huh?
Yep. Now we're gonna open our chocolate. Or just use scissors. I'm gonna grate it on top. Hopefully it lands. Then we got our straw here. We're gonna put that in. And we'll call you back once this place is clean. And for the tasting round. Okay, time for the taste testing round. And I have my milkshake right here, looking nice and pretty. And I'm gonna take a sip. It actually tastes like a nice milkshake. It's like one that they'd like serve at Art Cafe, except it needs more sugar. But if you like it the way it is, comment down below and tell me. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, turn on your notifications, and comment on what you'd like me to make next. See ya!